On 19th May 2019, Global Nature Foundation has planted 3,000 tree saplings by Miyawaki method at Naveen Garden. 5 species of native trees has been planted in single pit. The Miyawaki method allows us to grow a forest within a short period of 20 to 30 years. Conventional forest can take anywhere up to 200 to 300 years to develop. One of our planting festival visitor from Germany had discussion with many visitors, and she has taken interview of environmentalist Gauri Vasudevan from Namakkal.
Hi, I'm Gina. Welcome to the Tree Planting Festival. So, here are a lot of interesting things today. One of the things is an interesting interview with Mrs. Gauri. Hi, we are here with the lovely Mrs. Gauri. Mrs. Gauri, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Gauri Vasudevan from Namakkal, Tamilnadu. So actually we have been running an English institute for 20 years. I have completed my MA in British English and I have done my psychology, and I'm a psychology researcher. I'm an international placement trainer. I do IELTS training for foreign students also.
Oh well, that's very interesting. So what was the idea to start with this project?
Basically I'm an environmentalist. I'm born and brought up in Ooty. So I'm a green lover. So I love this globe more. So I want to do more service to this world. So now the globe is in the condition of the global warming. People, we need more rain, water, oxygen for our future generation. So we must take, our grandfathers, our ancestors have planted many trees. We were enjoying those trees. Nowadays people, they don't maintain, we cut the tree, and we don't have any proper rain. So we want to make our globe green in order to save our future.
Okay, very nice. And do you know how many plants we are here today?
Today we are going to plant around 5,000 trees are here. So we are going to plant 5,000 trees today.
Okay, wow, what a great idea. And can you imagine how it looks like maybe in 5 years?
It's called, we are going to do the project in the name of Miyawaki. Miyawaki is a scientist of Japan. He has introduced a new forest system, dense forest system, Miyawaki. We are planting many trees near. So it's a project of dense forest. So usually our tree grows in 10 years. But with this Miyawaki system, within 2 years we can get a very dense forest. So we have visited some Miyawaki forest projects. Within 2 years it has reached 25 to 30 feet high.
Wow. Yeah. And do you have any idea how the trees in the little forest here will help the mentally challenged people?
Yeah, actually we have been in the construction of a mentally retarded people's home. So actually if they are in the green peaceful situation, they will get recover from the illness soon. We have the project, we have to take care of mentally retarded people and mentally ill people. We have to give them treatment and make them very clear, and they have to be normal people in the society. So green environment will make to get them good oxygen, good mind peace and everything. So we want to make the birds, animals and everybody a good shelter.
Very wonderful. Sounds like a very peaceful place. And my question was, what can every single person do when we meet some people who have mentally challenged illness? What can we do?
Already we have adopted 4 people. But now at present they are in the care of their own parents. After completing our M1 home, we will bring them to our home. And first we have to check them, and for that we need a doctor, psychiatrist, and we have to analyze their condition. Then we have to start with treatment, and we have to treat them as our own family persons. They are in very unconscious stage, but they love to be with the family, brother, sister, friend and everything. So our medicine, our care, our love and everything will make them fine, and we want to make them to live as other people in the society.
Okay, Okay, wow. And when someone is listening to us now and someone thinks, wow, I want to help, how can the people help you?
We are at present, we are in very urgent need of fund. Actually, we started this project with a small project, 20 to 30 lakhs. So we have, and that means we have sold our land and pledged our jewel and everything we have given. But the project has become 75 lakhs according to the norms and conditions of the government. We have constructed the building. So we are in very need of fund money for the completion of the building. So we have asked our friends and some rich people to help us. At present, we are very urgent need of 25 lakhs to complete our project.
Okay. So when you're listening now and you think, hey, I need to help, I want to help, then you can go for the website to search some information, and you can come and visit this place. You can help with donates. There are a lot of things to do to build this wonderful, special, peaceful area here. Can you imagine what will happen if the trees will grow and grow and grow? Naveen's Garden will become a place full of life, where animals and plants and people come together in nature. And we need your help to create a lovely place, a very special place, a shanty place, where life can grow and also where ideas can grow. Join us, be a part of us here in this place, and you can come and visit this place. You can go on our website to research some special information, or ask us if you write us an email.